What do you mean?
You can't keep this car. It's disgusting. Do something about it now, please.
I can't handle this. This is the only way I know how to deal with this. What's that? No, wait. We can fix this. No, we can't. No, we can't.
You see what's inside there?
No, we can fix it. We can fix it.
Can we?
I hope so.
Yeah.
All jokes aside, you saw in the last video the condition and the state of the inside of this Altezza. It is absolutely disgusting. Masks on, eye protection on, bodysuits on. We have treated the mold the best that we can. Not only did we put one of those little smoke bomb things in here, that is to kill the mold and prevent it from coming back, but we also treated everything with white vinegar and then isopropyl alcohol. Most of the mold is actually dead. Hopefully all the spores are dead, but to be safe, we are masked up. There's a ton of black mold in here and tons of other unknown pathogens. Is that even a word? Pathogens? Pathogens in here. So protection is key. I don't want to get sick. So let's start taking everything out. Everything has to come out. I don't care what it is. It's coming out. This has to be a bare shell. We're going to pressure wash everything in here. Oh God, that sprayed me in the face. We need everything out. Everything. Everything garbage. Everything. What is this? Oh my God. That's just, oh gross. That's old convenience store food. Yeah, ew. What's this? Uh-oh.
Is that the registration?
Hang on a second. What? Okay, we're gonna let this dry out because there's some weird stuff written on there. God, this is gross. Ribbon USAF training little ribbon thing. How cool is that? That I think goes on your uniform, like your stripes.
There's a lizard in there.
There's a lizard?
Look on the back of the seat.
There's a lizard.
Lizard.
A bunch of lizards.
What?
Yeah.
Robert, that's a gecko.
Yeah, there's another one right here.
What? Oh my God, there was a whole nest?
There's a bunch.
Probably in there.
Look. Right here. There's one right there.
Another
It's
gecko?
so little.
Hey, buddy. What's this?
You're a far away from home. Well, I guess your home was the
Oh, I found them! I found all the gecko eggs. They're inside here. Look. Look at all the eggs and stuff in there. That's the shells and stuff. That's gecko eggs. You think Up Garage will buy these seats?
No way.
Well, we'll pressure wash them so they don't.
No way. Ew.
Oh my God!
Did that all just change?
Yes! Dude, this car is making me money.
This car is becoming a sun.
Oh my God, there's American quarters in here too.
Man, that's like $40 in Japan right now.
In God we trust. Liberty, 1977. Alright, here we go.
Look at this snail shell.
Oh my God, look at the roots! Look at this!
Oh!
The roots grew through the freaking lining.
Yeah, dude. Oh my God, there's like a centipede, like a little one.
Oh, that's an earwig, I think.
Earwig, look at the roots!
Dude.
Sam.
Whole entire ecosystem. How are there still ants in this car? Look, there's still a nest there. Look at them all. That is just ridiculous. Oh, this is gross.
Yeah.
That is disgusting. Look at all the mold. I'm gonna quickly just spray this with the vinegar solution. That's bad mold.
Like seaweed.
Dude.
Oh, that's bad.
That's a flavor.
What?
You see it? This was the roof inside the roof.
What? This is all mold?
This is,
This one?
yeah.
Yeah, the block. Well, yeah.
So I sprayed it with vinegar so it's neutralized it. But inside the car on the roof is the worst part. I have to scrape it off the roof. Yeah. Look inside. I sprayed it all. Like, look inside up there. It's so gross. Statement of suspects. The paperwork that we found before, it's dried out. I started going through it, and it's definitely not something we're meant to see. And I'm gonna burn it. As much as I wish I could tell you what's written in the contents of it, I can't. Don't think that's a good idea. I like my shop. So I'm gonna just dispose of this. Whoever owned this car before me, I'm doing you a favor. If you haven't yet, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this build? My whole goal at the moment is to do cheap, affordable, relatable stuff. And I think getting cheap cars, having fun with them is what we all love and remember that got us into cars to even like, you know, Sylvia, Skylines and all that type of stuff. So let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. Smash that like button, it helps us out tremendously. And subscribe if this is the first kind of videos that you've seen. There's going to be a lot of fun content coming with these. You guys know I love experimenting with cheap, unknown engines. We did that with the single cam RB20. Made a ton of power. That was a lot of fun. But yeah, let's get into this. Finish this off. Turn this thing into somewhat of a shiny diamond from what it is now. Oh my god!
What?
Muffler gaskets!
What?
Oh, brother.
Oh, sick! It's still a full Rice's crispy. Look, it's just all soggy. Rice Krispies were like my favorite thing.
Is that a whole water bottle?
Oh yeah, it's probably still drinkable. It's a brand new Aquafina water bottle. Unopened.
Don't drink it.
The Diet Coke can that exploded in the trunk, unopened. Look.
That's hair.
No,
that's weird. But look, this is unopened, so it exploded in the rear.
Why is it so crushed?
Oh, another
Aquafina.
Aquafina, unopened. Oh wow,
More hair and
it's
a sponge. Dude, that's like straight up hair.
Oh, there she goes. Woo. That's disgusting. One thing this car hasn't had is side mirrors. Probably just got ripped off the thing when it was getting moved around by forklifts. Gerald included a fresh set for me, so that's amazing and that helps us out so much. If we're lucky, this may even also still move. Do the other side and we're done. I think this might be the first time I've properly pressure washed the inside of a car like this. Probably not going to be my last though. Anyways. For any of the products you're seeing me use to clean this car, I've got Amazon links to it down below. We've been using nothing but Maguire's on this stuff, which is the best. It's doing a great job. I'm finished. It's starting to get dark, but I am finished, and I am so impressed with how clean this has come out. All the mold off the roof and everything, it looks amazing. All that foam blew off with the pressure cleaner. I think tomorrow what we'll do is I'll go through it with the vacuum cleaner and suck up any other remnants of just like, you know, anything that we couldn't get to go out of the drain plug holes and stuff. But it looks amazing, so good. I'm very happy with how this thing has turned out, and it doesn't smell like mold anymore in here. I'm quite confident it's safe in there now, so I put the mask and everything aside, but thank God we had all that gear, because when I was in there, it was bad. Some of the stuff we were scrubbing off the roof from under that roof liner. But for the most part, the car's disinfected, the car is clean now, and we have some good bones to work with. Just taking a look at everything that we got to work with here, I think it's going to be super easy to mount a hydro in there, run the line straight to the back. I'm not going to be running ABS, so we can already just use the ABS sensor holes to go straight to a dual caliper setup. I think this thing's going to turn out really, really well. We still haven't looked under the car yet though. Oh wow, I just noticed all the dirt and grime everywhere. Dang. This corner here has obviously had a huge hit at some point, so I'll work on that a little bit with a hammer and try to get that a little more out and nicer, but not planning to put any kind of crazy aero kit on this. I want this thing to be a super cheap drift car, like just practice car, fun car that everyone can enjoy. The only thing I want to do is get rid of the blue bumpers and put white ones on and put normal tail lights in this thing. Not a huge fan of the blacked out tails, so we'll just get some freshies of those. We got to get a new headlight for the front here on the left, but oh, and a new fender here. Just a stock fender is all we need there. That one's really messed up, and then I think we'll be good. But yeah, and I'll work a little bit more on the roof too. We'll do a little bit more panel beating. Yeah, we got all the dents out of all the doors too. If you guys remember, this door was really badly pushed in and smashed. That's popped out pretty well. Same with this one. And then on this side, we got that massive ding that was in the driver's side door all pushed out too. Turns out pretty good. You can obviously see it's, you know, we pushed it a fair bit, and we're not gonna be putting that up and respraying it or anything, but the fact that this isn't all the way in and the window can go down again. We got side mirrors again. It's great. I think this thing's turning out great. I'm really happy with it.
We saved one Altezza.
We saved one Altezza.
Yeah,
We still have to do the other one though.
Oh. After that, this one and this one.
Okay, good call. Actually, that's a good idea. Let's get some Dapsky Collab air freshener in there. And then this, how do I pronounce this? It's Febreze, right?
Febreze.
Febreze, yeah. I mean, everyone in America knows what this is. We're gonna spray that in there, get rid of any last odors, and put an air freshener in there. But it already smells like Maguire's soap, like the super foam stuff, so it smells really good.
It's smelling better now.
Oh, it smells real good. It smells like a girl's hair when she comes out of the shower. Like, you know, the shampoo wet smell? That. The only other thing that I'm planning to do is I'm going to bring from home a dehumidifier,
and we'll sit that in here for a good couple days over the weekend to really just pull all the moisture out of this thing. And that way, we know we'll be a-okay. For now, don't have my revision mirror back on there yet, but that can hang there. I hope the camera does us justice, but this was everything that came out of the inside of the car from today. Like, look at all of this. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Blah. Everywhere. So much of it. It's impressive. Well, we've got both cars lined up, and I think I can start bringing my car into the shop tomorrow and start getting some work done finally, put it on the lift, see what we're working with, and start putting together that list that we need to figure out what we need and don't want and all that type of stuff. It's kind of all exciting. We got all the cleaning out of the way finally. Definitely, you know, maybe it would have been better if we just got like a nice driving one from the auctions, but this car was pretty much free. Obviously, you know, it was an amazing deal, and I thought it would also be kind of cool to do something at the same time that Riley's doing his thing as well. So I think it worked out in the end. Don't forget as well, guys, the Black Friday sales are still on when this video uploads. So if you want to get 20% off any real Tomei parts from Japan, as well as anything else, just make sure you go to sammit.net. Anything that's not listed on the website that you want from Japan, shoot us a contact email, we'll get back to you. But yeah, for the most part, merch as well, Christmas sweaters. Definitely jump on those Christmas sweaters if you want those before Christmas. But yeah, I'm really enjoying working on this stuff. I cannot wait to see what we can do with the 1G platform. And I think this is gonna be a really, really fun build. For those of you that are worried too about the other projects and stuff, don't worry, haven't forgotten about them. And we should have a very special guest sometime soon to finish the abandoned S15 and to help with the R32, and also some stuff that needs to get done on other cars too. But that aside, hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Seriously though, I am curious, is this the kind of content that you guys like to see? Something cheap and fun and go back to what we all kind of found on YouTube when automotive YouTube even existed, when it first started, which was really Haggard Garage days. I'm not gonna be doing a random, you know, twin turbo build on this that's gonna catch on fire. But I think this is what it's about. I think hanging out with your mates, working on, you know, crap box cars that cost hardly anything and just having fun getting into racing. Same thing with the Wagon R, the K-car endurance race car that we have here. The other night we've been doing a lot of Twitch streams recently, so if you don't follow me on Twitch, please go over and check it out. We did the Perspex glass on these. It actually turned out pretty good. We're going through the process of finishing this thing up because we really want to do the endurance, the Taikyu race with this thing. 3-hour Taikyu race, so we'll get that done. But that aside, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
The Altezza is not your ally.